Yeah, so I've attended this event as the first time as exhibitor also. So we are a company called D2C Insider. So we have a stall here also. So it's a great experience. We lot of new founders. So yeah, it's altogether it's a great experience. So hey, hi. So my name is Ankit. So I work in a company called D2C Insider. So basically we are a community of founders. So we are almost like 10,000 D2C founder in a community, and we have our own fund which invests in the founders, and we have our own accelerator program which will help them to increase, basically to grow and these founders. So yeah, that's what we do. Yeah. Yeah, so I've met a lot of founders who are looking for growth, and we have looking who wants to invest in the fund. So we have lots of connection we got from here. So like it's a great event for for the other upcoming founders who want to start. They can meet their lot of vendor and manufacturing. So it's a great platform for them. Yeah, so we get to catch up a lot of early stage founders, so that we can basically help them to grow and whatever the possible way from our community for our investors. So yeah, that's a good event to have. So it's a unique experience for us for the first time. So I have never attended such event like this. So it's a unique experience. Yeah.